This is how my son leaves his shaver and charger every day. So today, I'm going to design a simple 3D printed stand to fix this mess, step by step. Let's measure the shaver and its charger. First, we'll use a cylinder and we'll set its height to 72 millimeters and its diameter to 60 millimeters. Alright, here we'll use a cube so that we can create a hole inside the cylinder. We'll adjust the cube's height to 72 millimeters and its width to 42 millimeters. Here, we'll use the filler tool so that we can round the edges of our cube. We'll duplicate the filler tool and create a clone of it so that we can round the cube's 4 corners. Now you can see that all the edges are rounded. We'll turn the cube into a hole maker and adjust it with the cylinder. Keep in mind that we raise the cube's height 10 millimeters above the plate because we want the cylinder's base thickness to be 10 millimeters. We need to create 2 cuts, one in the front and one on the right side. We will create a subtle cut here, but we'll raise the cube's height 15 millimeters above the plate for more beauty and finesse. We'll use another cube to create a very subtle cut at the front of our stand so that our shaver can be seen from the inside. Now we'll create another cut on the right side. We create a box for the charger and the trimmer here. The height is 72 millimeters, the length is 68 millimeters, and the width is 40 millimeters. And as always, we'll use the filler tool to round the edges of this cube. Now you need to create a space for shaver brush. A height of 20 millimeters is suitable. The brush holder is made. As you see, there is a gap here that we should fill it for more beauty. We use a mix of chamfer, cube, and fillet. Our stand is ready, but to make it more beautiful, I want to print it in two colors. I will make the bottom part green and keep the top part orange. For this, I will use two cubes and I will create a clone of my stand. Then, I will cut each of the stands into two parts, the top part and the bottom part, and then I will join them together. The stand is ready to print. Now we will export its file to print this beautiful stand, and we will use it in Bambolab Studio. we slice the file in Bambolab Studio to create a G-code and send it to the printer.
And that's it, from messy to clean. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple designs you can make yourself. See you in the next build.